Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create separate calendars in Google Calendar. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, you need to have the Google Calendar app downloaded onto your phone. So once you have it downloaded, you can open it up. And then, so let's say this is your calendar, right? If you want like a separate calendar, maybe for work, you want to click on the calendar button in the middle at the bottom. Click on that and then click on add calendar, and you will name this calendar and which person you want to share it to. Once you've done that, you're going to click on done, and the new calendar will be added to the Google Calendar. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.